If you dey look me koro or you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt and Abuja, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live for those who they watch us on top of internet. As soon as see me as I deck inside my uniform, una know say the one when we go talk today and the one when we say we go roll up our sleeves, discuss the matter as usual as we dey do am on top of As E Dey Hot. We dey tell una say every weekday from 10 to 11 not on Christmas sake of say all the action story where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry am, drop am down, give you license self to chook mouth inside and talk am the way the TB for body so that those who the leaders go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezeogo Chukwuode. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu will stay concerning politics matter as it is hot.
Yes, another edition of our Bunga program now we don't carry now way as it is hot. That political program where they do it, where they sunshine out different information about political activities that happen for Nigeria. Today we're not go different and going by what you could don't talk. Now don't see us, we don't dey depth up. That is now to tell us say the issue we want to talk about. Now very important issue we concern you, we concern us, we concern everybody. So and we'll also open our phone line so that at least when that time reach now also feel contribute. My name never see change, my name now could be. And this now As E Dey Hot.
Our Ogbonge visitor when go join us inside this discussion. A person when we say if you touch am, electric fit shock you. Based on say he sabi everything we get to do with power inside Obodo, Nigeria. Now, they don't trust them with the responsibility of reviving the Nigerian power sector and carry am reach position where we say plenty people for inside this Obodo, Nigeria go happy. But some people can't look and conduct say since independence for 1960, we don't dey discuss power. But it be like say some kind 3 strong witches sit down for village, cross their leg, carry fan, they blow the fire of Nigerian power. If the thing don't quench based on the efforts when our government they do, they go blow and again make the fire come out again. Some people go even talk say even for the book of Genesis, the time when God come out and say let there be light, the NEPA person when they represent Nigeria, he be like saying the toilet that time because as other countries for inside Obodo the world don't get idea to use change their own power sector, he be like say we see the learn. And they talk of no other than Barrister Sunday Olurotimi Odunton. Barrister Sunday Olurotimi Odunton are the Executive Director of Association of Nigerian Electricity Distributors. Barrister, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Barrister, the way when you sit down, you be like person when you say, even as you dey like this now, you dey calculate, say, you know, lights no dey this place, transformer dey blow for here. The thing, I know you go feel free because I don't know, you go feel free because we go ask you, we know the fear, we go ask you question. Oh. I like as you
know, say Oga Sunday self, now somebody will say anytime, any day, in the always day ready because at least you don't come here before and then the way you take address and answer our questions to show you say yes, anytime in day ready to at least.
Very true. Barrister, we get one tradition on top of As E Dey Hot. We shake the hand of our visitors them before the show starts. So that when the matter starts, you know, go be like say, now quarter.
You're welcome, sir.
One day code.
Now the condition is
always there. Go because the way when this country they go when tomato don't scarce, fuel 145, lights no they day.
Go straight to the question, Abeg. Go ahead, Abeg. Go ahead. Please, thank you.
Okay, Barrister, make we go straight to the question now. Now, for several years, if you go back, go check the history of Nigerian power. Say we they generate, we they distribute, we they do this, we they do that. We they vote plenty money to use it improve that particular sector. It just be like say every time when somebody come with better idea, when go move us 10 steps forward. It be like say somehow, one kind monkey hand go enter inside the pot of soup, we'll come go 1,000 steps backwards. I go like make you just check them now. Make we not even go far back to military era where we not even fit calculate how much we don't use. Make we go back to 1999 till date, 16 years of democratic rule when we fit check the book, check all the figures. We don't move from one step to the other, but it be like say we know they go anywhere. Just give us general assessment of the Nigerian power sector in the last 16 years.
Thank you. The issue with Nigeria electricity be say over the years, all the government will come to power, whether na military or na civilian, and they put money down for electricity. They don't go do anything. But in 1999, Baba Obasanjo will be president then. The man can start a good program for electricity. The thing where they call electricity reform from 2005, 2006, before he left power in 2007. He don't make all the plan. And if to say we follow that one, today, there will be some electricity, not enough, but at least higher than what we have. But as soon as that Baba leave power for 2007, Oga Yar'Adua came, Idabaru am. Now, so Yar'Adua set us back. If you remember the thing what they call Elumelu investigation for House of Rep, that thing just set us back by another 20 years. Every power equipment where Obasanjo government buy, put for ports, that was that they won't clear for ports, for the Nigerian port, those ones just they rot in there because Oga Yar'Adua no want Obasanjo reform. And he no start his own till he die. So that was the problem from 2007 to 2010. When Oga Jonah came, he tried his best to go back to Obasanjo thing. And that was when Oga Jonah then conclude the privatization where Obasanjo wanted to do. And by November 1, 2013, and so the thing was broken into three. And so we have, before then we have NEPA, PACN. And so we now have GENCOs, generator companies, people where they generate electricity. But electricity be product. You go generate them, and go send them to where they go need them. The generation company, 6 of them, private. The other one next to that is called Transmission Company of Nigeria. That transmission company be like a trailer, like a truck, like a vehicle. That one are the one where take the light, the power from where they produce them, to the point where they distribute them. So under Transmission Company of Nigeria, that's what we have Electricity Distribution Company of Nigeria, 11 of us. That one is my own company.
Okay.
So our own be say we dey distribute, but we can only distribute the thing where them produce
Where them supply
and
now with.
transmit to us. If they not bring the thing to, if you produce beer for Sapele and the customer dey for Lagos, if you no put the beer for trailer, you no go get to Lagos.
Exactly.
Or for boats or canoe, I don't know, but you know we get to Lagos, you go ship them, send them to the point where they go need them.
Okay.
And now only what you produce that you can distribute. That's where our own thing come in.
Come in.
And me, I know they say we don't try. No. We have a lot more
Still
to do. All of us. We need to generate more. We need to repair the transmission grid. It be like say when you dey use trailer to carry goods from Kano to Lagos. You have to service the trailer. Make sure everything is okay so that the thing can carry the load.
But she will talk, say, all these problems we do on ground. Going by the way you take talk, say we never feel identify the key problem where they affect the sector. Because what you talk now, you look at from the OBJ era, is that is electricity reform from 2005 where it start. Then we come pause at some point. But even at that, we know the amount of money where that same particular government do it in and do say pour into that particular sector. We will no see result at all. Okay, fine. In between Oga OBJ era and the Oga Jonah era was Oga this person, Oga the late era. Okay, it's down to Oga Jonah era where you talk say it continue. You understand? We no still see somehow. Even as we see, we never still see that same thing.
We cannot see the thing.
We never feel identify the key problem where they affect the sector been waiting.
The thing with Nigeria be say we know the problem. The issue be say we don't like being honest. Now so Nigeria they very dishonest. Because Oga Jonah where they do his own. When the man sold the thing to private people, he tell them, say, the thing where they said to you, you pay to acquire. But we go give you we go allow you to have appropriate price for the product. Because electricity is not a product, like Coca-Cola or Fanta. So the thing gets price, the thing where they call cost of production. When you produce them, it come at a cost. So he say, I go allow you from day one to sell my original business, normal price. From November 1. By now, November 1, Oga Jonah say, no, you cannot do that. Make it undersell and no subsidy. Now, so we then begin to have what we call shortfall. Because the gap where they between the selling price and the actual price, they go big. Now, so it get to a point where today we have 300 billion shortfall. somebody go pay for that one now. It was February 1, 2016. So when we get the appropriate, proper price, and the thing what they call tariff increase. That tariff increase, now important milestone. Because the thing be say, you cannot continue to sell a product that is 10 naira for 6 naira. Or else the business will collapse. So now so we have the new price. But even that new price, people know they pay. Even the old price, people know they pay. People go tell you, say, give me power, I go give you money. But the power where they don't talk about, they buy power. We distribution company, like you, if you detect beer, you're a distributor of beer, go brewery where then they produce them, pay there, take the beer. They're not going to give it to you without paying. You now come to beer parlor, they say, give me beer first, I go pay. And so you give them beer, they don't pay, they just walk out of the shop.
But
how can you balance?
Barrister,
you go balance.
This analogy where you don't give between power and beer, if you join us side by side, but somehow, if we check them, it be like say you no go work.
It no day different.
Somehow.
The thing we have to talk, we say, na product be beer. Beer na product.
Okay, make I ask.
Electricity na product.
Okay, make I ask.
And the thing be say, even for your street, then they still electricity.
Okay, but from...
If you give me the name of your street, I will tell you what happened there.
From 1999...
Chief did too much.
Going to 2007, when former President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo did there, we hear said that $16 billion. $16 billion of Nigeria money now they invest into this thing. And I still remember say I even dey sure say as we dey like for this place where they talk, some people see they do 3 days on, 3 days on, 1 day
off.
My
area they still do like that.
1 day on, 1 day off.
They still do like
if
that.
we invest $16 billion of Nigeria money, we don't see anything for 8 years.
What?
Yar'Adua scatter something, Jonathan do reform. This will just be like say all the people when they, be like say they don't start doing what they do.
That's why I asked whether they don't feel identified.
The problem, because this thing be like they talk the thing make we because I don't understand.
No,
I don't understand.
No, he will make
okay, you make us understand.
The thing be say when they talk say they spend so billion.
Now then talk, no be me talk.
Those one, that question now for those who spend the money. But we know they there at that time. We came on board November 1, 2013. And no government gave us 1 kobo, no bailout. The one way we collected recently now loan from central bank. And we be like what they call alajo.
Yeah.
Those collectors
those collectors,
collect money from you. Every time they collect beef from you, only 24% belong to us. We give 57% to the generation company. They also pay the gas suppliers. We give 11% to the transmission company of Nigeria. And they will have the vehicle, as I told you. We give 4% to central bank as a payback for the loan where they give us. We give 4% to our regulator, NEC, system operator, MBET, all of them like together, are 4%. So the money where we they collect, people they think say, this could have so much money. We don't get money. Just they collect money on behalf of others. That's what I want people to understand. And each time we give you your bill, and you don't pay, or you don't pay the full bill, what you are doing is they make it difficult for those who are generating power to generate. Because we don't get money, we will send to them up. We dey below, distribution company below, transmission company middle, generation company at the top. But we dey collect, now we you know. Now we they beat up. Now we they abuse all the time. You don't see Genco now, you know them, you don't know them. You see transmission company, you don't know them. Yet, they collect more money from what we take from you. So the thing where they talk, we say, we just, all of us are together. Bill, I say, I don't want to call it, I don't want to call them a one-chance boss. Okay. But we're there for inside the same boss. The thing we say, we have a role to play to supply with power. Anytime we want to take your life, we should tell you. And the thing we need to do more.
Normal courtesy, yes.
But you too, you should pay. That your neighbor where they steal, the one where they bypass for your street, Unkubi. You should report that one. But you go come here and say, me, I don't know. And when you know report that one, you are paying for that one. Number 2, all those leakages, and so we don't get enough money to produce more electricity.
But then, August Sunday, you talk, say, you may even bring out about people who say when they steal power. Okay, yes. If we don't get a particular how they put a particular way where we say government don't bring us, okay, this will make we take this thing, take the regulate light where people they use, or rather to know the number of power where people they use. That is the prepaid meter stuff. And you can't be say this prepaid meter where they even they talk about. Even I go talk say half of the country never see meter. I say the
waiting be half.
okay. I said the issue say people go they still like no go they play out.
Let me give you the figure. When we came, 5 million.
Okay, Sunday, I beg. No, you know go first. Just you go need to pause because we go need to go for this quick break. When we come back, you go pick them up from where you stop. Quickly, may we go for this quick break. When we come back, Sunday, that is I go continue the matter where he stop. Will they come?
Come back to Acid Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when inside the world. Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable nationwide and www.wazobiatv.tv/live for those who they watch us on top of internet anywhere inside Obodo the world. Hezugu Chukudi Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor Barrister Sunday Olunrotimi Odunton dey inside studio and we dey discuss let there be light inside Obodo Nigeria. We don't break them out. Check out the history of light inside Nigeria from 1999 till date. Now, we want to check the major problems and see whether we will find solution to this particular problem. Barrister, before we begin go that break, you be one answer one question as it get to do with the fact say, okay, we get Gencos, we get Discos, we get people who go do their own, we get the people who go pay. But it can't be like say the issue of prepaid meter. Say okay, make I know say now exactly wetin I use I dey pay for. No be Baba Jebu calculation. They just sit down for office, calculate. Come they give me, you give me like for 10 minutes. You say make I pay 2,000. How is it possible? When even my TV I on you know even hot for back, and you carry money come give me. This calculation now, how then they arrive at that calculation if prepaid meter no dey?
Thank you. The thing we are going to say is there is a way that light get to your house. When light is produced, transmission will take them to distribution company, to the interface, like the border. We distributors will receive them. That light will land for what we call feeders. One feeder, they feed like many transformers. We meter that. So we know what is inside the feeder. Meter transformer, we know what is inside transformer. So your houses are served by one transformer, maybe 10 houses, 20, depends on the area or more. Now the thing we say, our own regulator called NEC don't give us what we call estimated billing methodology. That is to say the method we're going to use to calculate estimated billing. And it is easy to compute. When we look at those who get meter, take their own out. Those who don't get meter, we spread them in a way that is fair. Yes. But sometimes we get it wrong. We get it wrong when somebody there for your neighborhood where they use like who we don't know. So you they pay for the person indirectly. We don't know, but you know report them. So me, I know they blame you. Me, I just talk, say sometimes, and not all the time. And another thing be say, if we give you a bill, I know like them. The same way you should do is you pay the last bill, which you know dispute. Say last month you pay 6,000 naira. This month we give you 10,000. If you say that bill no be your bill, go and pay 6,000 naira. Bring down your bill and payment to our office and say this 4,000 extra no be mine. Then we go check the system. If you find say the thing no be your own, we go adjust them. If you find say we give you more hours, we have record of electricity last month, we tell you, say, okay, that extra 4,000, extra hours that you have. So it's a mutual thing. You, as a customer, you have a right to complain. We must listen to you. If we don't listen, you report us to our regulator NEC for Abuja. Then go deal with us. Then go find
Abuja not too far.
Now, like
they have offices everywhere.
Okay.
NEC, we call it NEC foreign offices everywhere. Ikeja, Ekpo, Ibadan, everywhere. So, but the thing we say, all of us dey inside this boat together. I'm still saying that majority of us no like paying bills. Some of us pay and pay very well. Now, so I dey beg those ones to be patient because when somebody they pay and no lies, that's not good. For us, I don't want to give you crazy bills. Because if I give you crazy bills, you won't want to pay for that crazy bill. You don't go pay. Me, I better give you bill where you go pay.
Where you go fit pay, yes.
But if I know the electricity that came to your neighborhood, to your
and you
house,
can't provide the bill.
I have to give you the bill now because now the thing where I don't meter for my transformer will come to your house. But if one thief there or one organizer or one battery charger, they still electricity for the back of your house, and me, I don't know about that, and you don't tell me about that, what I go do?
Barrister Sunday,
That's why they say, all of us, the thing we say...
No, Barrister Sunday, the way you take bring your voice down, because my plan with Nkubi na so where this uniform come now,
we just
make we the fire from left to right. The way you take bring your voice down.
Are they here for you?
Fire.
You sure?
Okay, quick one, we go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back. As Barrister don't open himself,
you don't give us life, go ahead.
We go begin the fire. Don't go anywhere. Now still ask Ide, you went the house, now you go complete time. Hot.